Hey y'all, welcome to MexTex Cooking. Today I'm gonna show you how I make chicken salad. And we start off with 4 chicken breasts. Just got them at my local grocery store. And first thing I like to do with these is give them a quick rinse. You're gonna wanna dry them, or at least I dry them. Just a quick pat down, just so they're not too wet while I'm working with them. And keep in mind, we're gonna shred these, so you don't have to pretty much do anything. These are just gonna get thrown in the pot to get boiled, and that's all we're gonna do as far as prepping the chicken. All right, now that they're dry, you don't have to, but I like to take all of these yellow membranes off. It's just a personal preference. That's pretty much it. We're gonna put them inside a pot. Already got water in here. We're gonna boil them. All right, y'all can either use whole onions. I just like to use powder because it's not really, it's just to give it a little bit of taste and take out some of that funkiness that comes in the chicken, and salt to your like. We're gonna get this on the stove, get it boiling. One of the things I wanted to say is whenever you're boiling something, especially or meat, you're gonna wanna do cold water so that both the water and the meat come up to temperature together. You don't wanna use hot water. I used to do that before, found out that's not good. So we're gonna do that, put it to boil, come back whenever that's ready. All right, y'all. While we wait for the chicken to boil, we're gonna dice up our carrots. You can use as much as little carrots as you like. We don't really like that much carrots, so yeah, I'm only using a little bit. You're gonna put these to boil as well. You want these soft. Depending on your preference, you can either leave them in circles like this, or you can cut them in half. I think that's what I'm going to do with some of the bigger ones that we got. Once you get your carrots diced up in water, gonna bring them up to a boil, and then we're gonna have them ready for a chicken salad. All right, y'all. Once you got your chicken already boiled, you're gonna just grab it and just start pretty much shredding it. I mean, you can do this by hand. It's really not that difficult. You're gonna have to do it, it's pretty much to your liking. If you want small pieces or if you want bigger pieces, that's up to you. So let me get this shredded and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, welcome back. We got our chicken shredded. As you can see, I like to go a little bit fine with it. Not a big deal if you left a little bit of chunks here and there, so just give it a little bit of texture. So now we're gonna use the mayonnaise. I like to use the mayonnaise with lime. It's so good. So again, this is by preference. You can either go with as much or as little mayo as you want, or you're just gonna start mixing it in. You're gonna notice that sometimes I'm wearing gloves, sometimes I'm not. That's because when it comes to stuff like this, I don't want to get my hands all, I wouldn't say dirty, but with, full of mayonnaise and chicken. If I gotta, get something else, or, oh, I forgot this and I gotta reach for it, I don't want to have to, my hands be all nasty. So that's the only reason why I do it. Also, any times that I'm messing with meats, I like to wear gloves. Where else? If I'm, dicing up veggies, if I'm messing with fruit, all that sort of stuff, I'm not really gonna wear gloves. It's just whenever I'm dealing with meat, just because I don't know. I just don't. It's a lot easier for me to, remove a pair of gloves and put a new pair on than it is to wash my hands. Gonna add a little bit more mayo. And then sometimes as well, some people like to add sour cream to the chicken salad. I've never, or I may have had it with sour cream, but I haven't added it to my personal chicken salad. So for my chicken salad, there's only 2 more ingredients. You got your boiled carrots and your sweet peas. So you're just gonna add them to the mix. Obviously, as you can see, we like more peas than carrots in our salad. And just mix them all together. Now that I see everything on here, everything's getting mixed in, I may add a little bit more mayonnaise. Like I said, we love our mayonnaise. So, just a little bit more. All right, that's pretty much it for your chicken salad. It's ready to eat. Now you can get some tostadas, you can get bread, you can get crackers, whatever your preference is. Now it's ready to eat.